and today is the second episode. Obviously, we'll continue where we left. So, this is our folder in both.json. I have my both details just for anybody new here, and config.json we'll be using to configure our stuff. But last time people got a bit confused. I got a couple of questions. This is how both config should look like. Um, I'll just make a comment line right here, so you can actually see how it look like. Basically, in JSON files, there's always round brackets or square brackets if you want an array for JSON file, but if you want an object, it's like that. And what you want to do, press enter, have it like that. And then what I have is just email, and then in here I have email. Oops, my mistake. Your email.com, for example, and then you have comma, and then what I have is password, and then I have colon and your password. Then I'm requiring this both.json file with a variable account, which is require both.json, and I'm accessing email and password with variable, so account, and then whatever I want to call. So if I want to call email out of it, I'm using email. If I want to call password out of it, I'm using password. And that's basically how it looks like, so you don't get confused. I'll be adding Discord. I'll adding simple Discord implementation. So yeah, that will be it for this episode, and in the next one we'll possibly do some features in Minecraft. But for right now, let's just add Discord implementation, and I was thinking about adding inputs. No, let's just do Discord and inputs from Discord. We'll make a simple. We'll require Discord. Okay, so const Discord equals require discord.js, and what you want to do, you want to open terminal and you wanna change directory to desktop, cd tutorial, and npm I discord .js, I think. Discord.js. I'm pretty sure the library is called like that, yeah. So you wanna install that. We'll wait till it's installing. I have to make this a bit bigger for everybody in here. And I'll also open this folder up wherever it is. It's right here. Config.json, and I will open it with Visual Studio, so I'll have it in here because then we don't need anything else. But we do need that. I'll just close the terminal for right now, and I will go into full screen mode so you can see a bit better. This is my Discord token. I don't really care if you see it. I will refresh it later on. But for right now, let's just save this one and let's make an actual Discord client. So const client equals new Discord dot client. That's pretty much it. Now client dot on. We'll be using ready event. Ready, and we won't pass anything in it. I'll just use hero function, and I'll just console.log client logged in client.user, and let's do at the bottom, or you can do it wherever you want. Client dot login config dot token, or is it dot discord dot token? So I'm using discord dot token. So it's to call it, I'm using another section of the object, discord dot token. Save that. Let's go. Let's actually do something else. I preferably use terminal. I can do that. Um, Node. Okay, we could use node mon, but I'm not really fan of it. Okay, and user dot. Actually, what I should do is user dot tag, I guess. User dot tag. Save that. Okay, it got logged in into the vanity. Everything works fine. What we'll do, we'll output the chat inside Discord. So you'll see to boot hashtag 4814, and we go into the Cody bot. I just renamed it Cody. It's the tutorial bot. But yeah, I just added color yellow. So that's it. And let's make a channel here called server chat. Okay. Now what I like to do is well, we have channels here. I added this little in between or last time. Server chat channel, the ID is like that. This is the ID of the server chat channel. We'll delete it obviously because we made a new channel. We're gonna do right click it, copy ID. If you don't have that enabled, go into user settings, go under appearance. Wait, maybe it's appearance right here. And then what you want to go all the way to the bottom, turn on developer mode. So that's part of it. And then yeah, right click, copy ID, go here, paste it in, save that. So it's channels.serverchat. So it's config.channels.serverchat to get the channel. What we're gonna do? Okay, so we wanna send a message on here. And first few things, if chat.length is lower than 1, we want to return it. If chat equals undefined, we want to return it as well. And then if chat, that's it. That should be good. Now what we want to do is let actually we can do client dot channels dot get, then we can pass in the ID of the channel we want to get. And I'm not sure, but I think it has to be string. It might not need to be string. I'm not sure if config will pass in. I think it will pass it. So if okay, config dot channels dot server chat dot send, then I want to send in the chat. So obviously I will do chat, but I want to do it in a fun way. So let's just do chat for right now. I hope this doesn't give me any of the errors. There we go. Let's run it and let's see if it gives us any of the errors. If it doesn't give any of the errors, that was my Snapchat. It doesn't give any of the errors. We should start to see chat in here. And that's very good for right now. But what I actually want to do is, you'll see it can get a bit fucked up in a bit. I hope there will be that it will be sustainable. Maybe not, but maybe it will be. But what I like to do is I like to use replace method, and I just like to use a bit of a regex. I'm not very good at regex, but what I want to replace is tildes or it's not backslash tilde. Wait, I fucked up something. It's like that. Tildes or star or what else is something? Underscore. I like to replace those because I don't want any facts in my chat on Discord because I want my chat clean and nice. So we'll be replacing those with nothing. It's just regex. If you don't know what's regex, go take a look. And I want to have chat, not just like that. I want my chat to be like that. Oh wait, like that. So I want my chat to be displayed in like gray boxes. Because I mean this is pretty nice. Let's be honest, it's not bad. But let's make it nicer. So let's save that and let's restart it. And once we restart it, we shouldn't see any effects in the chat. It should be all nice in the boxes, so that's why I'm doing that. Oh, actually, I think I fucked something up. I did. Indeed. Oh, it's invalid. Okay, wait. I think I did something wrong. I should do something. There are some issues along the way. Let's just see if this will give us errors too. Because I don't want that happening too. Okay, so I'm not good with treasures. I'll be honest. I'm just not good. This gives us errors too. Okay, let's just forget. Let's just use this one. This one. It might actually be that. So let's see if this will work now. I hope this will be. And yeah, then we'll do simple command send to MC. Oh, it's still good. Okay, let's just forget about replace right now. I forgot what's the exact thing for this one. I'm not good with treasures, I'll be honest. Okay, let's just have it like that for right now. Invalid form. It could be something just always, but I don't wanna make this video extremely long. But this is what I like to do. What you can do is you can make an interval and then send chat in a portions like Crystal opened us, and I believe they use set interval function, and let's do like each 2 seconds. Okay, and what you want to do, you want to define, and I'll just do it here, let server chat to send. Let's just do chat to send, and we'll just do empty array. Then what you can do here, you can do instead of this line, you can do chat to send dot push chat, and here you will actually we'll use this line, we'll paste it in here, and instead of that, what we'll do actually chat to send, and then what we can do is we can use 3 of those, so it will be like a little thing, a bracket, right? Then we can send it, and then what we do is chat to send equals that. Chat if chat to send dot length smaller than 1, we want to return it because it's empty, but if it's not, it will send it, I guess. Let's save that and let's see how that works. I hope I get no errors. What will happen is we'll keep. Oh wait, it won't work. I just realized it won't work. I forgot to do something. You have to join it by \n, so it's each thing in the object will be added by \n, so new line. So each message that's in the array will be actually shown or displayed by \n. And this is how it looks like. And if you get more messages, it will be more messages. And this is one way to make chat like that. And you can make interval You see how now each 2 seconds it will send a bigger square? Like each 2 seconds it will send whatever it's in the message. This is a pretty nice feature. How to do it? This is the line right here. Like this whole line is to do it. But you don't need to do that. You can increase time. You can do it 3 seconds if you want. That's not our main goal. And then the next thing we want to do is we want to make our Discord thing. So let's say that this was Minecraft. This will be Discord. Discord. So client. We have client defined. So on message a sync message. Okay, so okay, let's define a prefix somewhere. I think I have. Do I have it defined? Yeah, I have. Okay. So prefix will go to the top. So let prefix equals config.discord.prefix. So if message.content.starts with prefix. So it will, if it starts with prefix, what we want to do. Actually, we'll do something else. Return, but we will do if it doesn't start with prefix, we'll just return it. Because if it does start, it will go past it. But if it doesn't start, it will return it. We don't need anything without the prefix, I guess. I mean, we could do if it's just general message. If you don't want to do that, you can have other ways to do it. Okay, let's just do. So let args. Okay, let cmd equals message. Okay, message.content.split by. Okay, here I will use regex because I want to split it by more than just one message. So it's like that. I want to split it by more than one space. I don't care how many space. Message.content dot slice. If I could only type slice 1 dot split spaces, and then I want to use 1. And this is, no, I want to use 0. This is the command. So let args will be message.content.slice. No, dot content.split. And we wanna use the same regex here. Dot slice. And then we wanna use 1 here, so we'll remove first arg, and then that's pretty much it. Then what we can do is if cmd equals to send, we can do so we have to check if we have any argument. So if args 0, if there are none, return. We want to return message.channel.send not enough arguments, not enough arguments. Else we wanna do bot.chat, and what we do args.join with a space. So we join args backslash with a space, and then we want to do message.channel.send, and you can define embed up or in here, and actually I'm gonna do it up so it will be a bit more clear. Let embed equals new discord. Oh wait, I forgot to call new discord dot reach embed. And then you can do a new line. It will do dot set color, and it will be just green hex, so that's also it. Red will be like 5.4, will be like DA and 3.2. Okay. Dot set description. Send r.join r.join space, and we'll add this in a little bracket. Save that. The message channel.send embed. And that's pretty much it for right now. And let's see if I did it the right way. Okay, I did it. And then if I do dot send surface dot abc send abc, you don't have permission to chat in this region. It's all working. Dot send slash warp. I guess it opened up a GUI, so it's working now. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. You have chat input, chat output, and that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed it. Here's the code if you want to look at it again. I'm gonna actually post code somewhere this time. Check out descriptions for it. I'll post config, and also just in here, just email password required for online mode. And yeah, just here fill your email if you don't want to use the boot config file. But if you will use boot config file, I'll show you at the start of the video how to use it. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoy and have a great day.